Track 18, Sweet Chicken and Broccoli, inspired by D.R.A.M, broccoli. Ingredients: 4 ounces of grilled chicken breasts, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 cup of broccoli, 1 cup of lightly seasoned sweet potatoes with brown sugar. This recipe provides 660 calories, 39 grams of total fat, 50% of your daily value, 9 grams of saturated fat, 45% of your daily value, 0 grams of trans fat, 95 milligrams of cholesterol, 32% of your daily value, 2020 milligrams of sodium, 88% of your daily value, 29 grams of carbohydrate, 11% of your daily value, 6 grams of fiber, 21% of your daily value, 42 grams of protein, 84% of your daily value. Broccoli is a great source of vitamins K and C. It is also a good source of folate or folic acid and provides potassium and fiber. Consume broccoli raw, sauteed, boiled, or steamed. Cooking broccoli helps to enhance some of the nutritional properties, but if you overcook it, the nutritional benefits will be destroyed. Prepare your broccoli to your liking and add a serving of chicken for a complete protein and vegetable-rich meal to support health, wellness, and longevity. Directions: season chicken in bowl with olive oil, salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Heat pan over medium heat with non-stick spray. Cook both sides of chicken for 6 minutes each. Microwave the sweet potatoes and broccoli separately for 5 minutes each. Then heat broccoli in a pan over medium heat with butter. Portion out 1 cup of sweet potatoes and 1 cup of broccoli, plate chicken, and enjoy.